Are you serving business clients as a business owner or a professional or a consultant? Let me ask you a question. Do you feel that you should be earning more income and achieve more success? Or are you extremely happy with your sales success so far in terms of the revenue or the income goals? If you are extremely happy, you can skip this video. If not, like 82% of the business owners and professionals that I meet who are frustrated in terms of the low meeting, deals are not getting converted, takes a long time to close, or having to face with the low cost competition. Here is something that I want to tell you. Selling to business need not be this hard. Yes, I have experienced and seen in every market, every kind of product and services, there are sellers who are able to get meetings booked, close deals faster at a 50% higher price, and thereby growing their sales and income at 200% or more every year. Good thing. To achieve, one need not have to work so many endless hours as many are told to do in sales, but you can achieve with a lot more comfort and ease. See, selling is like a puzzle. Till you don't know the formula for the puzzle, you continue to struggle. But once you know, you can solve it every time. So sales success is also, once you know the formula, you can achieve success consistently. All that you need to do is to keep practicing with the right tools and skills. This is Krishna here. I'm a sales trainer and a coach, and I've trained and coached about more than 11,000 professionals, business leaders across 20 different industries. And today, I have good news for you. I'm doing a one-day live online workshop on September 11th. That's on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I invite you to join this. In this workshop, my main aim is to help you triple your sales success in less than just about 90 days, resulting you to earn double income and make 2022 as one of the best year. What I promise you is that you will discover exactly the 5 secrets that are proven to work in every industry. So you become unstoppable in life, sales, and guarantee your success. Here are those. 1. Learn the sales psychology that the top sales champions know and practice. 2. How to build instant connection and relationship with your buyer so they trust versus the other competitors. 3. How to position you as an expert and a problem solver versus just one more seller so they know you, understand them. And the 4th one is developing that magnetic personality so when you present your solution, clients say yes to your solution. Plan and achieve big goals and develop the mindset so that you can win bigger deals consistently every time. Again, there will be a lot more time-tested techniques and you'll learn that has worked for 20 different industries. I guarantee you the program will be one of the best investment that you make in your life. So why wait? Go ahead and click the link below to register. The program is worth about tens of thousands, but I'm offering you for a very, very nominal fees as of now, that's just about $4.99, which is just like a one movie ticket or a worth of pizza. You'll also get a bonus worth about 12,980 rupees after you register. So you have nothing to lose, but only to gain. Go ahead and register to learn and practice the winning strategies that are working today to win high-end sales. I will see you there.